In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track hourly employees in QuickBooks Time using the browser version. By the end, you'll know exactly how to confirm your team is set up, collect their hours, review and approve entries, and pull a clear report of total hours worked. Start by opening your browser and logging in to QuickBooks Time. The browser version gives you the full set of management tools in a clean layout, so it's great for admins and managers who need a complete view. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click My Team. This is your hub for seeing who's on your roster and whether they're ready to track time. Make sure the hourly employee you want to track is listed and that time tracking access is enabled on their profile. If they have access, they'll be able to clock in, clock out, and submit entries as needed. This quick check helps you avoid missing hours later. Next, have the employee start recording their time. They can clock in live using Time Clock, which captures start and end times in real time, or they can submit their hours through time entries if they're logging time after the fact. Remind them to include any required details your company tracks, like notes or job codes, so their entries are complete and useful for payroll and reporting. As those hours come in, click Time Entries to review what's been recorded by your hourly employees. This view lets you scan for obvious issues like duplicate shifts, missing clockouts, or unexpected overtime. If you spot something that doesn't look right, it's easiest to address it before approval. When employees are finished submitting for the pay period, go to Approvals to review submitted time. Take a moment to confirm the dates, total hours, and any breaks or notes. Approvals serve as your final accuracy check, so review carefully. When everything looks good, approve the time entries for payroll and reporting. Approval locks in those hours so they can flow cleanly into payroll and your reports, reducing rework and discrepancies. To see totals at a glance, head to Reports, then Tracking, and choose Hours by Team Member. Set the report dates for the period you want to analyze and click Run Report. You'll get a clear breakdown of hours worked by each hourly employee, which is perfect for payroll review, job costing, or spotting trends like overtime. That's it. Log in, confirm access, collect hours, review, approve, and report. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.